Hi, today we are going to upload this video of air layering. We are going to layering on amla plant. Now the bark's age should be not less than 1 year and not more than 2 years. So we have to select such type of a branch of pencil size or more than pencil size, thumb like width, and after that you have to give round cut on 2 spots and take out the bark of 1 to 2 inch and clean that hardwood by your knife. After that you have to attach or keep that routine powder which is available. You can buy it from agricultural shoppe from the market. Its cost is up to, you can say, 250 rupees. From 70 to 80 rupees it starts. Now instead of if it is not available, so then you can use natural rooting hormone just like gel of aloe vera leaf. Another is the cinnamon. You have to crush cinnamon and make it powder, and that powder can be used as rooting hormone. You have to stick that rooting hormone here. So we are using synthetic rooting hormone here. You have to attach that part where we means, you can say, cut. That upper cut part should be, you can say, attached with rooting hormone. You have to use knife or any stick to take that rooting hormone which is synthetic. Now after that you can take to bind that cut part which is, you can say, layered by us. So you have to take coco peat, 50% coco peat or 100% coco peat, you can use it. First you have to keep that, you can say, coco peat in water by which it can absorb water, and such type of a moist coco peat you can take for air layering purpose. You keep it in, you can say, polythene and then wind it to that cut part. First you have to give knot and tightness to one end of the polythene, and then after, you can say, giving knot to first part, then you have to give second knot to the last part, and after that you have to tie the total part which is covering the cutting part. Now you have to wind it, that polythene wire, such a way that air should not be inside the binded part. Now as there is a moisture inside the coco peat, no air should be there. So after 60 days and between 60 to 90 days you will see the roots which will touch the outer part of coco peat, and you can easily see number of roots near the polythene cover. Then you can detach after 60 days. Whenever there will be root formation, you have to cut that you can say branch, and after cutting you should not means plant directly in the open atmosphere. You have to take that, you can say, branch with root, open it and plant it in the pocket or in the, you can say, earthen pot, and you have to decrease the branches which are more on the plant branches. Branches should not be more. You have to decrease the leaves also, by which you can stop the evaporation process. And such type of plant, after planting in pocket or in gamla or in earthen pot, you have to keep in shade for 1 to 2 months, and then you can take that pot or pocket in the open atmosphere under the heat. Now we are going to do, this is second air layering. The best season I am going to tell you that the rainy season is the best season for air layering. You can do air layering in all types of plants, only the root formation period is different for different plants. Root formation for, you can say, citrus just like nimbu, lemon, orange, santra, such type of a plant take 1 to 1 month to 45 days for root formation. This one is second air layering on same amla plant. We have selected 2 years branch which is thick in size just like finger. Now we have taken 1 to 2 inch bark of that branch. Now look there, and we are, after taking out that bark, you have to finish with knife that hard portion. That cambium part should not be attached to that hard part. Already we have taken that bark, means cambium of that stick. How much distance is that? About 1 to 2 inch. Now we have attached aloe vera gel there. Even you can bind aloe vera